Welcome. In this video I will show you how to boot into the safe mode on macOS 27. First of all, we have to shut down this PC by going to Apple menu, then selecting shut down and confirming our choice in the open the window. After that, we're gonna have to hold down the power button, but for longer than regularly. At some point you will see continue holding for startup options message on your screen, and once it changes to loading startup options, you have to release the power button and just wait until the startup options appear on your screen. After that, you will see the Macintosh HD option. You have to select it by clicking on it once and then hold down the shift button in order to open continue in safe mode option. Select it and wait until your device restarts in the safe mode. Now in the safe mode there will be no third-party applications running in the background, so you'll be able to check your system's performance without your background applications working. Generally, this mode is designed to troubleshoot your system or to test some apps if you are a developer. And yeah, that's basically it. Now, if you want to exit the safe mode, you simply have to restart your computer normally. So just go to Apple menu in the top left corner and select restart, then confirm, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.